task is nominated that the call with Colony. The topic is that how to write better and communicate your ideas clearly. Hello Annie, how are you?
Hey Mohammed, I'm good, thanks. How are you? Great topic. How to write and communicate your ideas clearly. A short script message you can say to viewers a call nomination and the topic. Here are three quick options. Pick the style you want or do English or mix. The audience length you need, and I'll tweak it. One friendly mix 40-60 words. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello dear viewers. I'm nominated to lead a call about how to write better and communicate ideas clearly. I'll share practical tips and exercises you can use right away. Date/time. Hope to see you there. Bring your questions. 2. Slightly formal English message. 60-90 words. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I'm honored to be nominated to host a discussion on how to write better and
Okay,
communicate your
thank you so
ideas
much.
clearly. We'll cover
Annie
simple
can start
strategies for
question. What are the key elements of clear and effective writing?
Nice question. Great way to kick off the call. Here's a clear, friendly reply you can use, short and easy to read. Plus follow-up prompt to keep the conversation going. Short spoken, 30-45 seconds. The key elements of clear and effective writing are purpose, audience, structure, clarity, and revision. First, know your purpose. Are you informing, persuading, or asking for action? Second, think about your audience and use the right tone and words. Third, organize ideas with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Use headings or bullets. Fourth, choose plain language, short sentences, and concrete examples. Finally, revise. Edit for flow, remove unnecessary words, and check grammar. Practice and feedback make it stronger. One sentence summary for quick use. Writing has a clear purpose, fits the audience, is well organized, uses simple language, and gets better through revision. Follow-up questions to engage listeners. Which of these do you find hardest? Starting, organizing, or editing? Can someone share a recent piece they wrote and what was difficult? Want a quick 2-minute editing exercise now?
Okay, Annie, I have next
Mini
question.
2-minute editing
How
activity.
does
Live
knowing
on the
your
call.
audience impact the way you communicate?
Love this per follow-up. Here's a short, friendly answer use live, plus example, and a quick audience check exercise. Short spoken answer, 30-45 seconds. Knowing your audience changes what you say it, and how much detail you include. If your listeners are experts, use technical terms and go deeper. If they're new to the topic, use language, clear examples, and avoid jargon. Also consider tone, formal, casual, persuasive, and the medium. Email needs different structure than a short talk. Tailoring your message makes it easier for people to understand and act. Concrete examples to share. Technical audience. Use specific data and assume background knowledge. General public. Use analogies, short sentences, and one
Okay, I
clear
have third
takeaway.
question. What role does
Manager's
in
decision maker.
simplicity play in effective writing?
Yay, great third question. Simplicity is like the secret spice of good writing. Short answer, then a few practice tips and a tiny exercise use on the call. Short spoken answer, 20-30 seconds. Simplicity helps readers understand the message quickly and remember it. It's using plain words, short sentences, structure, and one main idea per paragraph. When writing is simple, audience puts energy on the idea, not on decoding language. Why simplicity matters. Reduces confusion, fewer misunderstandings, and fewer follow-up questions. Increases impact, simple sentences stick in memory. Saves time, readers can act faster when they understand quickly.
Okay,
Build
next question.
trust, clear
How
and
can you
feels honest
organize
and
your
professional.
thoughts before writing?
Love it, this is super practical. Organizing thoughts before writing makes the actual writing so much faster and clearer. Short and answer, 3 quick methods, and a tiny prep exercise you can use live. Short spoken answer, 20-30 seconds. Organize by clicking on your purpose, listing main points, and arranging them in a logical order. Use an outline mind map or bullet list to group ideas. Pick a clear opening, 2-4 supporting points, concise conclusion or call to action. That structure keeps you focused and helps readers follow.
Okay,
3
what are
fast
the what
methods.
are the
Pick
common
one
mistakes
depending
that
on
make
time.
writing confusion?
Love this, great question. Here are common mistakes that cause confusion, short explanations, and quick fixes you can use right away. Top mistakes that make writing confusing. 1. Vague main idea. Problem, no clear thesis or purpose. Readers don't know the point. Fix, write one sentence thesis before draft. Too long, tangled sentences. Problem, too many clauses
Okay,
and
how can
commas.
active voice
Readers
improve
lose the
clarity in writing?
fix. Absolutely, yes. Voice usually writing clearer, more direct, and more engaging. Short spoken answer, 20-30 seconds. Active voice puts the doer first. The team delivered the report. It's clearer because readers immediately know what. Use active voice to shorten sentences, increase energy, reduce ambiguity. Active voice helps, clarifies the action, shortens sentence length, feels more confident and lively, makes
Okay, what techniques
instructions
help
and
the
calls to
avoiding
action stronger.
judging and
Easier,
complex words?
nice, great combo of goals. Write without judgment and without needlessly complex words. Here are simple, practical techniques you can use when writing or speaking. Before you start, clarify purpose. Ask, am I informing, persuading, or reflecting? That mindset reduces judgmental language. Know your audience. Imagine a friend who needs clear, kind info. Techniques to avoid judging. 1. Use neutral observations, not labels. Instead of he's lazy, right? He missed 3 deadlines this month.
Okay, Annie, thank you so
Swap
much. I
judgmental
have next
adjective
question.
right, arrow specific behavior.
How can
Always
storytelling make your ideas more engaging?
absolutely so true. Storytelling turns ideas into moments people remember. Emotion, context, and a thread can follow. Quick tips to make ideas more engaging with stories. Start with a small, concrete moment, a detail people can picture. Show, don't tell. Use actions and sensory details instead of labels. Keep it short and honest, one clear point per story. Tie the ending to your idea. What changed, learned, or felt.
Okay, how does
Use
feedback
someone
from others
relatable,
improve
even
your
yourself,
writing?
as great question. Feedback from others can boost your rating in work, apps, profiles, learning in a few clear ways. Answer. It gives signal plus guidance plus social proof. Here's how simply reveals what's working and what's not. Specific comments show strengths to keep and to fix. Fixes raise performance, which raises ratings. 2. Helps you match expectations. Feedback tells you what others expect or value. Aligning work to those expectations increases satisfaction and better scores. 3. Guides priority changes. When several people point to the same issue, you know to fix that first. Easy wins often ratings fast. 4. Improves perceived quality and consistency. Iterating on feedback makes outcomes more reliable.
Okay, Annie, thanks so much.
People
Please
reward consistent,
tell me the
predictable
review of this
quality with
topic.
high.
Tell me the review of this topic for my viewers.
Got it? You want a revised topic phrasing for your viewers. Quick check. What's the original topic title or short description you're using now? And who are your viewers? General audience, professionals, students, hobbyists? If you don't have one handy, tell me the subject area, e.g. mindfulness, storytelling, feedback and ratings, yoga tips, learning Spanish, and the tone you want, casual, professional, inspiring, funny. I'll give 4 revised topic options you can
Okay, Annie,
pick
thank you
from,
so much.
and a
Nice to meet
one-line
you.
blurb for each. Awa, nice to meet you too.